Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP archives on your Motorola Moto E22. And to do this you need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you previously on how to do it. Right now let's open the app, find the files that you want to unpack, click on them, then click on this arrow pointing up. You'll enter extraction options. You can change any settings right here, but it's not necessary. Then click on the browse to change the designation if you want, and I'm gonna do it and move it to the movies folder. Click on OK to unpack your files, and here let's try finding them manually. So we need to go to the movies folder, and here they are. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.